हेलो फ्रेंड्स, इस वीडियो में हम एजेस से कुछ क्वेश्चंस को सॉल्व करेंगे। द एज ऑफ फादर्स 10 years एगो वॉज थ्राइज द एज ऑफ हिज सन। सो ये कहता है कि फादर्स एज 10 years एगो, ओके, सो दिस इज द 10 years एगो, वी विल मेक इट -10. So here is the father and son, okay. 10 years ago the age of father was thrice the age of his son, यानी कि f equal to 3s. So what will we do? We will make it in the ratio. So father upon son will become 3:1. So this is the 10 years ago ratio, 3:1. And 10 years hence the father's age, so 10 years hence means plus 10. So the father's age will be twice that of son, it will be 2s. So what will be the ratio? Will become father is to son will become 2:1 after 10 year, okay. The ratio ऑफ देयर प्रेजेंट एजेस, तो हमको प्रेजेंट एजेस का रेशियो यानी कि f/s हमको निकालना है। तो इस क्वेश्चन को कैसे करेंगे? पहला तरीका है हम x मान के करें, दैट द एज ऑफ फादर इज x, 10 years ago विल x - 10. तो ऐसे करके अगर हम इसको करने लगेंगे तो इट विल बिकम वेरी लेंदी, सो वी विल मेक इट बाय रेशियो. सो फर्स्ट रेशियो इज गिवन 3:1 विच इज 10 years ago, and the ratio after 10 year is 2:1. So first of all we will make it equal. The difference here is 2 and the difference here is 1. What will we do? We will multiply it by 2 and here also 2, so it will become 4/2, and this ratio is 3:1, which is okay. So we have got the ratio 3:1 and 4:2. What is the difference between these two numbers? So it is 1. Also here it is also 1. So this 1 is equal to 10 plus 10 is 20. This 1 is equal to 20. So this 3 will become 60. This 3 will become 60 and this 1 will become 20. So this is the ages 10 years ago. So what will become the the present age? The present age will become 70 and here it will become 30. So what is the ratio? Ratio is 7:3. 7:3 is the right answer. So it is a very easy question if we go through this process, but if we go with x, then it will become very lengthy. So we will not go we will not solve it by making the value difficult. So let's go to the next question. What is the next question? Next question is the ratio between the ages of Ram and Mohan is 4:5. So Ram and Mohan ratio is given, it's 4:5, and that between the ages of Ram and Anil. So Ram and Anil, it is also given, it is 5:6, okay. If the sum of the ages of these three is 69, okay, सम दिया है राम प्लस मोहन प्लस अनिल, so it is 69 years. What is the मोहन्स एज? okay. So इस मोहन्स एज निकालने के लिए हमको क्या चाहिए? हमको एक रेशियो चाहिए राम, मोहन और अनिल के बीच में. तो इसको कैसे करेंगे? we will write राम here, मोहन here and अनिल here. So राम is to मोहन is given, which is 4:5, 4:5, and also Ram is to Anil is given. Where is Ram? Ram is here, it is 5 and Anil is 6. So for making a combined ratio, what is required? We have to equal this part, this 4 and 5, we have to make it equal. So what will we do? We will multiply here by 5 and multiply here by 4, so it will become 20 and it will become 25 because we will multiply here also by 5 and here we will multiply by 4. So what will it become? Ram, Mohan and Anil. Ram will become 20, Mohan will become 25 and Anil will become 24. So if we sum it, it will become 69 and the value of 69 is given 69, so the value of 1 will become 1. So what is required, what is Mohan's age? Mohan's age हमको निकालनी है, तो Mohan's age will be 25 because the value of 1 is 1, so value of 25 will be 25, तो answer will be 25 here. So बढ़ते हैं नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन में. एट प्रेजेंट सुरेश एज, ओके, सुरेश प्रेजेंट में बात हो रही है, सुरेश की एज इज ट्वाइस द एज ऑफ हिज डॉटर, ओके, दिस इज गिवन, वी हैव राइट इट, वी हैव रिटन इट. After 6 years from now, the ratio of the ages of Suresh and his daughter will be 23:13. Okay, 23:13. So the present ratio is 2:1. 2:1. Suresh upon daughter will be 2:1, and after 6 years it will become 23:13. What is the present age of Suresh? So this part is required. We have to find out the value of 2, this 2. So what will we do? We will find out the difference. Here it is 10, here it is 1. So it will be multiplied by 10. So it will become 20 and 10, and it is 23 and 13. Okay. So the difference here is 3, and this 3's value is given 6. So the value of 1 will become 2. 1 will become 2. 1 will become 2. So the value of 20, not 2, huh? We have to find the value of 20. We have to find the value of present age of Suresh. But we have converted it into 20. So the value of 20 will become 20 into 2, because the value of 1 is 2. So the 20 will become 40. The answer will be 40 years. We cannot put the value of 2, 1 in this ratio, because we have converted this ratio into this. Okay, we have made it 20:10. So we will put the value of 1 ratio into this. So let's go to the next question. The difference between the ages of Arun and Deepak is 14 years. Okay, Arun and Deepak, Arun है, Deepak है, and the difference between their ages is 14 years. Okay, 7 years ago the ratio of their ages was 5:7. Okay, 7 years ago, we will go to the 7 year, and it is 5:7. Okay, 5:7. What is Deepak's present age? So we have to find the Deepak's present age. What will we do? We will find the difference here. The difference is 2, but here the difference is 14, so we have to make it equal. So what will we do? We will multiply here by 7, so it will become 35, and it will become 49. So it is the ages, their ages 7 years ago. What is Deepak's present age? So Deepak's present age means this 49 plus 7. 49 plus 7 will become 56. The answer will be 56 years. Let's go to the next question. 10 years ago, a man was 7 times as old as his son. Okay. तो यहाँ मैन है और सन है, और 10 years ago की बात है तो हम चलेंगे 10 साल पीछे. 10 years ago, a man was 7 times. Okay, man was 7 times of his son. So the ratio of m:s will be 7:1. Okay, 7 times as old his son. 2 years hence twice his age. Okay, 2 years hence. So 2 years हम आगे गए. Twice his age means men 2 into m equal to, twice his age will be equal to 5 times the age of his son. It is 5s. So the ratio will become m:s will be 5:2. Okay. What is the present age of son? So we have to find out this value. So first ratio we have got is 7:1, which is 10 years ago, and the other ratio is after 2 years, it is 5:2. What will we do? We will like other questions, what will we do? We will find the difference. It is here, it is 6, here it is 3, so we will multiply it by 2, so it will also be multiplied by 2, and it also, so it is 7:1, and it will become 10:4. So the difference will become 6 both sides, and here the difference is 3. So the value of 3 here is 10 plus 2, this 10 and this 2, it is 12. So the value of 1 will be 4. Value of 1 will be 4. So we will put this value in this ratio 7:1. So 1 will become 4. So this is the age of his son 10 years ago, which is 4. So 10 years ago, if the age of son is 4, what will the present age? The present age will be 14. The answer will be 14. So let's go to the next question. So it is very easy question. What is important here is which we are using. We are using only the ratio method. We are not assuming any value as x, because it will become very lengthy. So let's go to the next question. The ages of Samina and Suhana are in the ratio 7:4. Okay, 7:3. Okay, 7:3. We have got the ratio. After 6 years, the ratio of the ages will be 5:3. Okay, 5:3 it has become, and after 6 year, so after 6 year it has become it. Now what is the difference in their ages? So we have to find out the difference. Okay, what will we do? We will find the difference. Here it is 4, here it is 2. To make it 4, we will multiply it by 2. So 7:3 will be remain as such, and it will become 10 and it will become 6. So the difference, now it is here 4 and here also 4, but the difference here it is 3 and 6, it is 3. This 3 is given as 6. Okay, this 3 is given as 6, and the value of 1 will become 2. What we have to find out? We have to find out the difference between the ages. So we have got the ratio 7:3. What is the difference of ratio? It is 4, and the value of 1 is 2. So the value of 4 will become 8. Answer will be 8 years. Answer will be 8 years. So it is also a very easy question. Method is very important, because beside this method we cannot solve it in few seconds. Let's go to the next question. The age of Sulekha and Arunima are in the ratio 9:8. Okay, Sulekha है और Arunima है, ratio is 9:8. After 5 years, the ratio of their ages will be 10:9. Okay, 10:9 it will become after 5 years. So what is the difference in their ages? So it is a similar question. What will we do? We will make the difference equal 9:8, and it is 10:9. So here we can find out that the difference here is 1, and here also 1. We nothing to do with that. So what will we do? We will find the difference here. It is 1, and 1, the value of 1 is 5. Value is 1 is 5, and here it is difference of 1. So answer will be 5 years. It also a very easy question. Let's go to the next. Okay, the ages of A and B are presently in the ratio 5:6. Okay, A and B का ratio हमको दे रखा है 5:6. After 6 years, hence the ratio will become 6:7. Okay, after 6 years it has become 6:7. What was B's age after 5 years? So B's age, इसकी age हमको निकालनी है after 5 years. It is also a very easy question. Difference here is 1, here also is 1. So the value of 1 will be 6. So the value of 6 will be 36. But we have to find out the age after 5 years. 5 years ago, sorry, 5 years ago we have to find out. So 5 years ago means we will minus 5 from it. It will become 31, and answer will be 31. So it is a very easy question. Let's go to the next. The age of mother today, okay, is thrice that of her daughter. Okay, mother is thrice that of her daughter. So we will find the ratio between mother's and daughter's age. It will become 3:1. After 12 years, the age of mother, okay, we will go after 12 years, the age of mother, okay, the age of mother will be twice that of her daughter, means 2:D. So mother upon daughter will become 2:1. After 12 years, the ratio has become 2:1. Okay, the age of the daughter today, so we have to find this one value. So 3:1 is given, 2:1 also given. So first of all we will equalize it. Here the difference is of 2, here it is of 1. So what will we do? We will multiply it by 2. So it will become 4, and it will become 2. So here this is 1, difference here is 1, so this one value is given as 12, so the value of 1 is 12, so the age of the daughter today will be 12 years because we have to find the value of 1, so it will become 12 years. Answer will be A. Let's go to the next question. Okay, the sum of the ages of daughter and her mother is 56. Okay, daughter plus mother हमको दे रखा है 56 years. Okay, after 4 years the age of the mother will be, okay, after 4 year मानी कि मीन्स +4 दोनों में, डॉटर में भी होगा मदर में भी होगा. आफ्टर 4 year the age of mother will be 3 times that of daughter, so the ratio between mother and daughter will become 3:1. It is after 4 years ratio. So at present the ages are, so we have to find out their present ages. So if we have given the ratio of mother and daughter after 4 year, so we have to find out the sum of these two after 4 years. So after 4 year the sum will become +8. We have to make it +8 because 4 for daughter and 4 for mother, so it will become 64. It will become 64. So we have got the sum, we have got the ratio, the value will be very easily can be found out. So 3 + 1 will be 4, the value of 4 is given as 64 and the value of 1 will be 16, so the value of 1 will be 16. So we can find out the value, their ages after 4 year, the ages after 4 year will be 48 and 16. So we have to find out 6 years ago their ages, it will be 44 and 12, isn't it? We have to minus 4 here also, means this 48 and 16 we have to minus 4 from these both values, so it will become 44 and 12. So answer will be B. Let's go to the next question. So it is very easy questions, the method is very easy. Okay, the present age of son is, okay, the present age of son is half of the present age of his mother. Okay, half of the present age of his mother. So what we can find out here, the ratio between son and mother will be 1:2. Okay, 10 years ago his mother's age. Okay, 10 years ago means we have to go towards left, we will write 10 here. His mother's age was thrice the age of son. Okay, so the ratio between son and mother will become, son and mother will become 1:3. Okay, we have got the ratio. Okay, what is the present age of son? Okay, we have to find out this value, this one value. So we have got the ratio 1:3 and here we got the ratio 1:2. The difference between these two is 2 and here is 1, so we have to multiply 2 here and then 2 here, it will become 4. So 1:3 and 2:4, the difference here is 1. So this one value is given as 10 year. So this one value is given as 10 year. So this 1 will become 10 and this 3 will become 30, and after 10 year, sorry, means this is the value of 10 years ago. So if we have to find out the present age, it will become 20 years. Answer will be 20 years. Let's go to the next question. So here's the question. It is a lengthy question seems like. Let's go. Ram's son's age. Okay, sons बोला तो सन हमने लिख दिया. 1/3 of Ram's wife. वाइफ को हम इससे दिखा लेते हैं. ओके, Ram's wife age is, ओके, यहाँ पर पे लिख लेते हैं वाइफ एज इज 4/5 ऑफ Ram's age. ओके, एंड Ram's age इज, ओके, अब Ram's age बोलता है. ओके, Ram's age इज 3/5 ऑफ Ram's father. ओके, सो ओके, फाइंड द एज ऑफ Ram's son. ओके, हमको ये सन की वैल्यू निकालनी है. इफ Ram's father एज इज 50. ओ इट इज़ वेरी इजी. So if f equal to 50 year, so we have to find out the ratio between these 4 values and we will get the answer. It is very easy question. So what will we do? We will write son here, wife here, Ram here, and father here. So the ratio between son and wife is given. We will write it 1:3 like this, and the wife between ratio of wife and Ram, what will be the ratio of wife and Ram? So it will be 4:5, isn't it? Okay, 4:5, because Ram will come to the denominator and it will become 4:5. Okay, and the ratio between Ram and his father will be 3:5. Ram and his father will be 3:5. Okay, so now we have to do one thing. We have to make this value equal. So for making this value equal, these two value has to be equal to find out the combined ratio. These two values to be equal, required to be equal. So we will start by doing here. What will we do? We will multiply it by 3, so it will become 15, and it will be multiplied by 5, so it will become 15. So it will become 15. So if we have multiplied it by 5, so we also have to multiply it by 5, so it will become 25. Okay, so when we multiplied it by 3, so it will become 12. So it has become 12. So if it is 12, so for making it 12, we have to multiply it by 4. It will become 12, and it will become 4, isn't it? Yes. So we have got the ratio 4:12 15:25. This 25 value is given as 50. So the value of 1 will become 2, and the value of 4 will become 8. So answer will be 8 here. So let's go to the next question. It is very easy but a little bit lengthy. Let's go to the next. Ratio between the ages of Saurabh, Prasad and Amar. Okay, Saurabh, Prasad and Amar is 3:6:7. Okay, if the difference between the age of Prasad and Amar is 10 years, Prasad and Amar, the difference is 10 years. So what is the ratio? What is the difference in the ratio? It is 1. So this 1 value is given as 10 years. Okay, then what is the difference between the age of Subhas and Prasad? So यहाँ का difference निकालना है, तो 3, 6, so it is 3. So it will be, if the value of 1 is 10, the value of 3 will be 30. The answer will be 30 years. So it is very easy question. So that's it for this video. Thank you very much.